Rs4 2 nitro. Rebuilding this. Just got the new clutch, new bearings, little eBay. We got some mounts on this motor though. It has compression, but not the best. Little rebuild. But I had to change out the spur gear right there. Debating if I should run this one on the dirt from the dirt tracks, or I think I got the other. Or this exhaust, but I feel like this exhaust is not really gonna give me as much power from a straight pipe. Officially in. The thing is, I just have to fucking replace the spur gear and figure out what exhaust. I think I'm gonna put this one on. Just gotta get a little gasket going. Rs4 2. Never ran. Maybe, I don't know.